Some kings are not born in palaces. They're born from a simple question. Can it be done? We started from scratch. No silver spoons, no shortcuts. People said we were chasing mirages. But every mirage I saw became our next milestone. The world gave us no scripts, no blueprints, only a dream that refused to sleep. Because legacy isn't gifted, it's earned. Because legends don't chase illusions. They build them into reality. This vision, this spirit, is in every brick of Sharukhz by Danube. A space for those who dare to dream. Experience a tower that stands as tall as your ambitions. Office spaces where the journey is as grand as the destination. A place to feel true infinity, where life can be work and fun. Something this iconic deserves an iconic address. Come be a part of history, part of a legacy. Come, let's build together. Sharukhz by Danube, where every office tells a story of success.